Good morning, Standard 3. Children, today we are going to start our 6th chapter more about paint. Okay. So this chapter, it is very interesting. You all love this chapter in Standard 2. You already have learned paint. Okay, in Standard 2 also. So in this chapter, we are going to talk about some new things in paint program. Okay. So we are going to start this topic, paint. This is paint icon. This is paint program window. Okay. So this is our paint program window. Okay. Home tab. First topic is home tab. So here is our home tab. This ribbon, this is of home tab ribbon. And next, this is view tab. This ribbon is of view tab. So click on home. Okay. Home tab, you know, there are already, we had done, okay, this thing, but just to recall. Okay. So there are several groups. Clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes group. This is size group and colors. Okay. So 5 groups are there. So tools group. In this tools group, you already knowing tools of tools group. Pencil tool used for freehand drawing. Okay. For freehand drawing. Okay. This type of drawing we do with the pencil. Fill with color, fills color. Okay. Fill with color, fills color. This one. Okay, then text tool is used for writing text in drawing area. Okay, if we have to do typing, so we can do using the text tool. Okay. And this is eraser for erasing. If you want to erase, erase. Okay. Eraser is there. Then we have color picker. Okay, color picker to pick color from the drawing. Instead of picking color from color box, no, we use color picker. Okay, color picker, pick color from the drawing. And this is magnifier to make the image, view of image large. Clear? Enlarges the view of image. Okay, this is your magnifier. Shapes group, sorry, this is shape group, this is brushes. Shapes group. So in shapes group there are several shapes: rectangle, oval, line, triangle, diamond, many are there. Okay, clouds, arrow, left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. Isn't it? Stars are there, call outs are there. Okay. So shapes group. Then this is size. Okay. Size group. We choose to change the thickness of the line. To select the thickness of the line. Clear? Size group. Then we select color from color group. Okay, so there are 2 colors, color 1, color 2. Okay, 2 buttons are there in color group. Color 1, it is for foreground color, and color 2, okay, this is for background color. Color 1, foreground, you have to remember this name. Color 1 for foreground color and color 2 is for background color. Okay, and these are several colors. Okay, for coloring drawing. So these things I taught you in standard 2 also. Okay. Now okay, so open your page at 73, page number 7, book. Open your book at page number 73 Okay, so in this here it is given topic, drawing a polygon. Okay, drawing a polygon. So polygon, you know, okay, a shape which has more than two sides. Okay, more than two sides, like this triangle, more than two sides, three sides are here, isn't it? Then this is rectangle. Okay, this is pentagon. Okay, so we have polygon tool. We have polygon tool. This one. Okay, using this we can draw polygon shapes. Okay, using this we can draw polygon shapes. Okay, very easily, very quickly. Okay, now see. First of all, we draw a line using polygon tool. Drawn. Okay. Now, whichever sides you have to decide. Okay, whichever sides you have to draw. Okay, its point you have to keep in your mind. Suppose this one, first point. Okay, click here. Now go to the second point. Then click. Okay, then go to the third point. This is third point. Okay, and then go back to the first point. Okay, from where you have started making polygon. Okay, first point, here it is. So click. Okay, so this way polygon shapes can be drawn. Okay, very easily. I hope you understood. Okay, points you have to make clear in your brain. Okay, the point means sides. Okay, which side will come to which place, isn't it? Here you see again. First draw line like this. Okay, done. First line. Then go to the next point. Suppose like this. Okay, then this is second side. Okay, now here my pointer I'm bringing here. Okay, so this is for the third side. Okay, click here. Automatically, as soon you click, no line will be drawn. Then here fourth side. Done. Then this is my fifth side. Okay, then I'll go to the first point to close this figure. Okay, to close this figure. Done. Understood? Make clear in your brain where you have to draw your next side of polygon. Okay, so click on that point. You need not to draw. Automatically polygon tool will draw line automatically. You have to go to that particular point. Understood? Then polygon will be drawn very easily. You will enjoy this. Okay, okay, I hope you understood how to draw polygon shapes with polygon tool. Okay, then next topic is given drawing a curve. Okay, so it is also very simple. Click on the curve tool. Here it is, curve line tool, curve. Okay, so for this also we have to draw a line. Okay, we have to draw a line. This is straight line, it is not curved. Okay, now click on the empty space in the drawing area where you want the first bend of the curve. First bend of the curve. So this also, here also you have to make clear in your brain which length curve you want. If you want this much big, take your pointer there. If you want lesser one, So click accordingly. Understood? So here I am clicking. Okay. So this is first band. Okay. Then click for another band. Okay. Click for another band. Here. Suppose here I am going to click for another band. 2 bands we can draw like this. Okay. Then double click. Understood? To finish. I hope you understood. Again. See again. Okay. See. Curve tool. Select curve tool. Draw a straight line. Okay. Straight line. With shift key, okay, using shift key we can draw lines easily. Okay. Then click on empty space in the drawing area here. So wherever. So now this time below the line. Now here I am clicking. Done. First click for first band and second click for second band. First click I did below the line and second click I did above the line. Done. Okay. So curve can be drawn very easily. Okay. With the curve tool. Now drawing callouts. We have 3 callouts. Okay. Rounded rectangle call out. Okay, this is rounded rectangle call out. This is oval call out and this is cloud call out. Okay. Call out we use for writing messages. If you have to write any message or dialogues also. A rounded rectangle, this is oval one and here it is cloudy call out. Okay, sorry. Choose text tool and start writing here whatever you want to write, like this. Here too, if any message you want to write now, like this, hello. Okay, here too, click on text tool and draw text box and write here, how are you? Okay, dialogues, if you want to write dialogues, you can do it, isn't it? So these are call outs. These are called call outs. Okay, and now see text. Text tab, it comes automatically when you start typing text, no, in your drawing. Okay, so this text tab, it comes automatically. This is third tab of Paint program. Okay, this one, and through this, no, you can change color. Okay, you can change color. Color 1 should be selected. Understood? This is text box, and if you want to write text in, sorry, okay, cursor has come. Now select color. Suppose you want to write in green. Okay, so text tool provides you several options for changing the size of the text, then bold, italic and underline one. Okay, color 1 you have to select for writing text. Okay, and this is color. These all are color for writing text. Clear? Now this is home tab. Clear? Now you see text tab has gone. Automatically it comes when you select text. Okay, I hope you understood now how to draw call outs. Quite simple. You have to drag your mouse. You know how to drag the mouse. If you are knowing how to drag the mouse, you can do drawing very easily on computer. Okay. Now next is picking a color. Page number 76. Picking color. See, picking color. Okay, so our next topic is picking color. Okay, picking a color, page number 76. Now see, for this now I am going to this edit colors. Okay, this is colors group. Here it is edit color group. So when you click this now, so this is edit color box. Okay, now whichever color you want to fill, you can select from here. Suppose this one. Okay, so this line now it shows different shade of this orange color. Okay, suppose I'm selecting this one. Okay, selected. Okay, then add to custom colors. Okay, so here you can see this color now has been added here. Okay, so now using this one, no, we can fill color. So fill with color. Okay, now I'm filling this color here. Understood? Color I'm filled here, and this green color here in these leaves. Done? Okay. Now I'm going to use this color picker. Okay, from tools group, this one. Okay, this is color picker. I'm taking camera closer to color picker tool here. This is color picker tool. Okay, so when you click over this now, so now you see pointer now has been changed. It has been changed into dropper, like dropper, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Okay, so it has been changed into dropper. So now with this dropper, no, we will pick color, this one. Okay, picked. Okay, this color we have picked. Now this same color we can fill here. Okay, so color picker picks color from the drawing. Okay, we need not to go to the color box, isn't it? Color group. We can pick color from the drawing. Understood? This green color, to choose this green color. Okay, color picker taken. Now I am picking green color, you see here. Okay, this is dropper, and now it is picking color for color 1. Done? And now you see it has been changed into fill with color tool. And now fill this green color in the flowers. Okay, so this is called picking color. Okay, instead of selecting color from the color group, we can pick color from the drawing. Okay, I hope you understood how to pick color from the drawing using color picker tool. Okay, yes. Now next topic is magnifying an image. Now here you see this is magnifier tool, no? Okay, click over this. Okay, click on magnifier tool. So now here you see this is magnifier. This rectangle you are seeing, no? Okay, moving rectangle. This is magnifier. Whichever drawing part you want to magnify, you want to view enlarge form. Okay, so click over that part. Okay, so here I am clicking. Done. So this part you can see it is magnified, and okay, this is magnified now. Now you want to do any fine drawing here. Okay, suppose you want to draw this pattern over this flowers pattern. Okay, so you can do it. See, small patterns. Now in this magnified view, you can do this. You can draw patterns. Okay, see, like this. Okay, small patterns you can draw. Okay, once drawing is finished, now you have to go to back to normal size of the image. For this, you click on magnifier tool. Okay, and do right click. Which click? Right click over the image. Okay, now you can see. Left click will magnify it. Okay, and right click will make it its normal size. Now click on magnifier tool. Okay, see, if you want to do fine painting in drawing, so you can use magnifier tool for this. Okay.